Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll share with you a quick update regarding the Datagram airdrop. So if you are farming Datagram, then watch this video till the end. First of all, if you have not joined our Telegram channel yet, then you are missing lots of updates related to crypto and airdrops. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out. So if you look at their recent tweet on X, they shared an update called Datagram Community Update. They mentioned as we move forward toward TGE, so basically they have temporarily paused the point distribution. That means you won't receive points now. Also, they mentioned they finalized the capsule allocation and they will now provide capsules. So if you open your Datagram dashboard, then you will notice the points have stopped and are not counting. Also, if you click on the rewards section, you will see your total points and uptime, etc. So now we can earn capsules, but not everyone is eligible for the next phase. You need to reach 6,000 points along with 100 hours of uptime to qualify for a capsule. If you meet both conditions, that means you qualify for a capsule and you will receive the capsule allocation. Don't blink, the next phase lands soon, so keep this in mind. Also, if you click on the account section on the Datagram dashboard, then at the bottom you will see the connect wallet option. Here you need to complete KYC verification to be eligible for the airdrop. So if you want a complete tutorial on KYC verification, then you can leave a comment and I'll try to make a complete video on that. But also the good news is Datagram will list on multiple exchanges, which is already confirmed. First, they will list on Binance Alpha, also on Mexi and Bitget, and more to come. So that's a quick update on Datagram. If you found this video helpful, then hit the like button, and if you are new to this channel, then please don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Goodbye.